So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook business page. So what you're going to want to do is log into your Facebook profile, then go to the top right hand corner, click on the drop down and select create page. You'll then be taken to this page which will give you a number of different options. For the purposes of a counseling practice, you can just select local business or place. Then you'll be prompted to fill in your business information. For this example, I'm just going to use Heart Counseling as my name. You can then start typing in counseling as your service and you'll see counselor come up. Then type in your street address. I'm again just going to go with 1 Hart Street. Start typing in your state and you'll see it will come up. Then type in your zip code and your telephone number. So mine are obviously all made up, but you will put in your actual details here. I'm just going to add Michigan and then select get started. Your next step will be to add a profile picture. The size of your profile picture should be 170 by 170 pixels. So obviously you can create this first. I would recommend just uploading your logo as your profile picture, but make sure that it is clear. The next step will be to upload your cover photo. The dimensions of this is 820 by 360 pixels. So make sure you have a nice design for that as well. And there is your page. So you'll see Facebook will prompt you to invite your friends to let them know that you've created a page. This is a nice way to get your following started. They'll also show you where you can publish your first post, and then they'll pretty much leave you to it. So as you can see, this is what the page looks like. I'm not sure why the cover isn't showing. There we go. So as you can see, we've used a logo as our profile picture. A cover photo has some basic information. You can also then create your page's username. It'll say @Heart Counseling, which is what people can use to tag you in. If it's already used, you'll obviously need to come up with something else until there isn't one. So you can say create username. Next, and probably the most important part of setting up your Facebook business page, is to fill in your business information. So click on these 3 dots here and go to edit page info. Here you'll be prompted to fill in various things about your business. The first is a description. Obviously spend some time thinking up a description and include focused keywords and make sure that it is a clear description of what your business does. But for the purposes of this example, I'm just going to fill in something brief. Once you're done filling it in, click Save Changes. You'll see it should already have your phone number from when you filled it in the beginning. You can add your website. Click Save. Add your email address so that people can easily contact you. Any additional links, like for example, other social media accounts. You'll see that your location should already be added. Obviously mine's not a real location, so it's not picking it up on the map, but once you add yours, you'll see that it should pick it up on the map. And then you can also add your opening hours. So you can say Mondays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m, Wednesdays and Thursdays you're open for business, and then click Save Changes. So now when you go over here and click on About, you'll see all your information is included. You can also add team members if you like, as well as a more detailed description. And there you have it. Your page is set up and you can begin posting and inviting people. Good luck!